In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Peacock TV error 4201. So if you see this type of error, this could be means context that your content or your video content is blocked by the network restrictions, like through the firewall or VPN or any other blockers. So they are blocking the video content. So that's what it means. So what you can do in this case is, firstly, always try to restart your or relaunch your app. So just close it completely. Okay, close it completely and relaunch it and see if that fixes up the issue. Okay, and also make sure you check your internet connection. So check your network connection and ensure that you have a stable internet connection. So just keep that in mind and just check it. You can restart your router as well if you're connected to a Wi-Fi. Okay, and then apart from that, what you can do is you can go and check your apps cache. So if you go to your app settings, so go to your app settings if you're using the app, so go to the app settings, and then go to the storage option and see if you can clear the cache and data. If you're using iOS device, try to offload the app and restart the app again. Okay, and apart from that, the one of the major reason is because of the VPN issues. So disable any VPNs or proxies or even ad blockers. So especially if you're using like a VPN, okay, or any DNS blocker or something like that, so just try to disable it, because sometimes this might be the uh, major cause of the error. So just try and see if you're connected to any such VPNs, try to disconnect it and restart the app, and that should fix up the issue.